Hey y'all, what's up? So it's the end of the day. I'm a little tore up, so y'all gonna have to take me as I am. All right, so I'm gonna make a quick little kind of like a detox kind of craving breaker drink I like to drink while I'm on keto, just to help me. I like to drink it whenever I have like those really bad cravings, and it takes the cravings away for me. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick little video of me making the drink. It's nothing special or anything like that, but it works for me, and I know it'll work for you too. So yeah, just come on, come on, come on. And also, if your diet isn't like sugar restrictive, you can add honey in, but really and truly, honey just adds like extra calories and extra carbs. It is a ton of carbs in honey. Well, a ton for me. So I just don't add any honey at all. But feel free to do whatever you want. If you're not on a sugar restrictive diet, then go ahead. Now you can use a knife, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use my mandolin. You can use a knife, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use my mandolin just to get a few slices off. I always use the little thing that comes with the mandolin. Don't do it like I'm doing it, because I've cut myself really bad doing it this way before. Okay, I'm going to use a knife for the rest because I'm scared that I'm going to cut myself. So, as you can see, it's really not that much more. So I have about half of a stalk of ginger. You can put as much as you personally want. This is no exact recipe. It's just kind of like what I do. Okay, so now you see my water is getting those little bubbles on the bottom and it's starting to move around. So I'm going to go ahead and add my tea bags. Okay, so this is about as hot as I want my water. Yeah, that's hot enough. So I'm going to go ahead and just add my stuff in. Turn off the flame. Open up my tea. And I'm going to do 4 bags. Well, let's do 5. I'll do 5 bags of the tea. And again, this is the tea I'm using. You can use anything you want. But I like green tea just because of the cleansing properties. And then I'm going to add my ginger here. Just pop it over in there and let that seep. I'm going to put the top on and let that seep for maybe 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So, see you guys in 5 minutes. Okay, so now you can see my tea is seeped. I just let it go ahead and cool. It's maybe like a tippet temperature. Is really, really barely warm. So I'm just gonna fish out all of the ginger and tea bags and dispose of it and add in my ingredients here. Okay, so I finished. It's cold, actually cold now because I put it in the fridge, but I put it into like just a glass pitcher here to make it easier for me to transfer back to the jug. So I'm pretty much done. This just makes things a lot easier for me to just pick up a cup and not have to worry about mixing the concoction or anything like that. It's perfect. Those measurements are perfect. It's usually how it tastes whenever I make it per cup. So this is kind of on the go. So again, it was just a half a cup of the apple cider vinegar with the mother and a half a cup of the organic grapefruit juice, but you can use any kind of citrus juice you want. I just had grapefruit on hand, and some cinnamon to your liking, and cayenne pepper to your liking. And if you don't have sugar restrictions, then you can add in honey as well. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.